In the hushed confines of a medieval monastery, a monumental task was undertaken. Within its ancient walls, a book of unparalleled scale began to take shape, destined to become the largest manuscript ever created in the Middle Ages. This colossal tome, known as the Codex Gigas, or the Giant Book, holds secrets far deeper than its immense size suggests. It is a relic whispered about in hushed tones, a testament to an age of faith and fear. But its true notoriety stems from a far more chilling moniker. For centuries, it has been known by a name that sends shivers down the spine: the Devil's Bible. This isn't just a historical artifact. It's a puzzle wrapped in parchment and bound by legend. Why would such a sacred object be associated with something so profoundly dark? We delve into the shadows of history to uncover the truth behind this terrifying tome. Imagine a book so immense it dwarfs any modern volume. The Codex Gigas stands nearly 3 feet tall, weighs a staggering 165 pounds, and is encased in sturdy wooden boards covered in leather. Its sheer physical presence is enough to command awe, but its contents are even more extraordinary. Within its more than 600 pages, the Codex Gigas houses a bewildering array of texts. It contains the complete Latin Vulgate Bible, alongside a collection of medical treatises, historical chronicles, and even ancient magic spells. This eclectic mix of sacred scripture and arcane knowledge is unusual, hinting at a purpose beyond simple devotion. Yet, among its many pages, one image stands out, dominating an entire folio with its unsettling presence. It is a giant, full-page illustration of the devil himself, rendered in stark, terrifying detail. This single drawing is perhaps the most infamous aspect of the entire manuscript, giving rise to its ominous nickname. The devil depicted is not a subtle, symbolic figure. He is a monstrous entity with clawed hands, cloven hooves, and a gaping maw. His presence within a book otherwise filled with holy texts is profoundly disturbing, a stark contrast that begs for an explanation. The chilling image of the devil is inextricably linked to the most enduring and terrifying legend surrounding the Codex Gigas. This tale speaks of a single monk condemned to death for breaking his monastic vows. Facing execution, he made a desperate plea to his superiors. He promised to create a book so magnificent, so comprehensive, that it would contain all human knowledge and bring eternal glory to the monastery. The catch? He vowed to complete this impossible task in a single night. As the hours dwindled and the enormity of his promise became clear, the monk found himself in an inescapable bind. In his despair, he turned to a forbidden power. Legend claims he invoked the devil, offering his soul in exchange for the completion of the colossal manuscript before dawn. The pact was sealed, and with unholy speed, the book was finished. As a dark tribute, or perhaps a chilling signature, the monk supposedly included the devil's portrait within the pages. This terrifying image served as a permanent reminder of the unholy bargain that brought the Codex Gigas into existence, forever binding its fate to the infernal. While the legend of a single night's creation is undeniably captivating, modern science offers a more grounded, though no less astonishing, explanation. Experts have meticulously studied the Codex Gigas, analysing its script, ink, and parchment. Their findings suggest a different timeline for its creation. The sheer volume of text and the intricate illustrations would have required an immense amount of time and effort. It is highly improbable that such a masterpiece could have been completed in a mere few hours. However, scientific analysis has revealed something equally remarkable. The handwriting throughout the entire manuscript displays an astonishing consistency. This uniformity strongly suggests that the vast majority, if not all, of the Codex Gigas was indeed penned by a single individual. This level of consistency over such a massive work is exceedingly rare. If one person truly wrote the entire book, it would have been an undertaking of monumental dedication. Researchers estimate that it would have taken a single scribe at least 5 years of continuous, non-stop writing, working day and night to complete the manuscript. More realistically, considering the meticulous detail and the natural pace of medieval monastic life, it could have taken decades. This means that one monk, driven by an unknown purpose, might have spent the better part of his entire life meticulously crafting what would become known as the Devil's Bible. The sheer human effort involved, even without a supernatural pact, is a testament to an almost obsessive devotion. Despite scientific explanations, the Codex Gigas continues to exert a powerful, unsettling influence. Its colossal size alone is enough to inspire a sense of dread, hinting at a purpose beyond the ordinary. The sheer scale of the undertaking, whether by divine or diabolical means, is overwhelming. Then there is the infamous devil drawing, a stark, full-page depiction that stares out from the parchment with an unnerving intensity. Its presence within a sacred text is a profound anomaly, a visual discord that challenges conventional understanding. It feels like a deliberate intrusion, a dark mark on an otherwise holy work. The enduring legend of the midnight deal, of a soul bartered for knowledge, adds another layer of chilling mystique. Even if disproven by science, the story resonates with primal fears of forbidden knowledge and the consequences of desperate choices. It taps into the ancient human fascination with pacts and the supernatural. Today, the Codex Gigas is carefully preserved in the National Library of Sweden, a prized but unsettling artifact. It remains one of the strangest and most enigmatic manuscripts in human history, a silent testament to an age where faith and superstition intertwined. Its dark aura persists, a constant reminder of the thin veil between the sacred and the profane. So, what is the true nature of the Codex Gigas? Was it a monumental masterpiece born of unparalleled human dedication, a lifetime of solitary labour poured onto parchment? Or does the legend hold a deeper, more sinister truth, hinting at an unholy alliance that brought this terrifying tome into being? Perhaps it is both, a testament to human endurance, yet forever tainted by the whispers of a dark bargain. Either way, the Devil's Bible proves that some books carry more than just words. They carry legends, fears, and an enduring mystery that continues to haunt us. Would you dare open the Devil's Bible? Drop your answer in the comments. Subscribe to BrainSnack for more of history's strangest mysteries, made simple.